Hello, my room 134 friends. Today we're gonna do a little bit of animal tracing, shadow and light kind of experiment. So it's really sunny outside and a great day. So I had an elephant at home, and then I have a tiger. But you could use cars or any other toys you have at home for this tracing idea. So it's really sunny, so you can see I see a shadow of the elephant on the paper. So you can use white paper. You can go outside with mommies and daddies. And do you see the tail of the elephant? So I'm just going to try to trace that with an ink pen. You can use markers or crayons for this idea. So I'm just going to try to follow the line on the outside and try to trace the elephant. There's the trunk. And a little bit of his body. So there is my elephant. An elephant starts with the letter E. So there's E for elephant. And now we're going to move over to the tiger. So I see the tiger's face. I'm going to use my pen, try to trace it. And the ears, and then all the way down his body. And then there's his tail. I'll trace that. And his leg. There's my tiger tracing. And tiger starts with the letter T. Tiger has stripes on his body too. So I hope you guys can try this fun idea outside today in the sun with mommies and daddies at home. All right, I love you all and I miss you. Bye.